how to recover a disabled Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today, I'll guide you through the recovery process of a disabled Facebook account. Let's get started. First, open up a browser and search for Facebook Help Center. And then tap on it. Once you're in the Help Center, type in Account Disabled. Tap on the Account Disabled option, and then you'll see my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you'll see if your account is disabled, you have to appeal within 180 days. And then reasons why your account might be suspended or disabled. It might be because you have posted content that doesn't follow the community standards, misrepresenting your identity in order to mislead or deceive others, or contacting other people for the purpose of harassment. But if you haven't done any of those, then your account might have been disabled by mistake. So don't worry, you can request for a review to do this. If you see this box, was this helpful, tap on no, and then you tap on this information is confusing or other, anything that you want. And then here you can appeal what happened. You can write a feedback and you can attach your full name, email address, and a number associated with their account. And then after including all the details, you can submit the request to Facebook to recover your disabled Facebook account. Hopefully, you'll hear back from Facebook soon. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.